let me show you how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in the gallery of your iPhone. Now, if you open up the gallery on your iPhone, but it's not showing or downloading any of those photos or videos, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is if you have the WhatsApp app currently open, let's just close out of that app completely. After you've done that, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. So open up the Settings app here, and we need to make sure something is turned on for the WhatsApp app. So scroll down, tap on WhatsApp, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on WhatsApp. Now that we're in here, you need to make sure the photo access is enabled so that it can download those photos and videos. So for photo access, we need to have this switch to full access. If you haven't already, just switch it to allow full access. After you've done that, there are two things we need to do in the WhatsApp app. So from here, we're going to go to your settings. And the very first thing we need to do is go to your chats. And you'll be able to see Save to Photos. Automatically save photos and videos you receive to the photo gallery on your iPhone. So just make sure you turn this on. But that's not the only thing you need to do to make this work. We need to go back out of here and make sure we change the storage and data settings. Now within here, it'll have all of the storage, and you need to make sure the media auto download is set to Wi-Fi in addition to cell data. So for photos, if this is set to never, it will never download those. We need to switch this either to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cell is the best. And make sure for videos you set that as well to Wi-Fi and cellular. Now, I would highly recommend just closing out of that WhatsApp app, opening it back up again, and then from your chats, all of these photos and videos should be saved to your gallery.